How to clear cache in Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache in Google Drive. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Drive app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled as Settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, if you scroll down a bit, there you can see the option labeled as Clear Cache. So simply tap on it, and on the confirmation message, just tap on OK, and that's it. Now you have successfully cleared cache on the Google Drive, and it will remove all temporary files that might be slowing the app down. So with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.